Hey guys, I'm back with another video on Pega Constellation. Hey, did you ever try displaying data like this in Constellation? Let me show you. Like, for example, oh, let's pick a flight. Did you ever try building a screen like this? You have all the passengers which are saved in the table displaying like this. You can select who all are traveling with you. Like this, you can select few records. Oh, what happened? Something wrong with my, oh, I was just, yeah. You can just select few records like this. And what if I want to add new records manually? Like this, I can add. Did you ever try like this? Doing this? How can you display data from the table? And how can you display a editable table layout like this in the same screen? And upon submit, we want to concatenate the data and display the complete passenger information in the next screen. Did you ever try? If you haven't tried, give a try. And in case if you're not able to achieve it, reach me on my WhatsApp number. We are launching our self-learning videos on Pega Constellation. You can buy the course and you can learn all these kind of things. Thank you so much for watching, guys.